Today I have this white bunny. You can find him at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the hanger. And I don't know if you guys remember last year we did the bunny, the same bunny with the napkin that had the face on it. And we did a kit, and we're going to do another one. So once I remove the plies off the back of the napkin, I'm going to cut just above his eyebrows. Between the eyebrows and the ears, I'm going to cut. And we're going to decoupage the face to the bunny. You want to have saran wrap ready, your brayer, and your glue of choice. I'm going to have 1 hour enamel clear. You most certainly can use Mod Podge. I'm going to do this in sections. I'm going to do the right side first. You want to make sure you put a decent amount of the glue. And you're going to lay your napkin down gently, and you're going to go to the left side, apply your glue, and then lay your napkin down. And then at this point, you're going to want to get your saran wrap ready, because this is going to be a barrier so you don't tear your napkin. You don't have to use a brayer. It may come out a little bit more wrinkly, but the brayer does flatten it out, takes out the wrinkles, and it just makes sure that your paper made full contact with the face. You want to kind of do this quickly. You don't want to leave it laying there too long, and you're going to lift your saran wrap. And we're going to set that aside to dry. After we do a second coat on the face, and then I took the time to do a coat all over the rabbit. This way everything has that same tone, because the top coat is going to change the color a little bit. So I just did it all over the rabbit so it all blended together. You want to be gentle when you're applying the glue to the top of the napkin. I am doing this a little slower for those of you that are doing this for the first time, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And this napkin just works so perfectly on this particular cutout. Again, we will have a kit available at chalkitupfancy.com. Now you can wait and sand off your napkin. Sometimes it gets wet enough that you can literally just tear it back, like it did for me. So once dry, I have this little gingham vest that I'm going to glue to his body. You put the glue down, same as the face, and then you're going to glue over top. Now this gingham is made out of that rice paper, so it is a little bit thicker and a little bit of a different texture. And I really try to not be shy with the glue because of it being a little thicker. You want to make sure that glue gets through the vest. And with this particular paper, you do not need the saran wrap or anything like that. And allow that to dry. While that's drying, I have these little glasses in the wood, and I'm going to paint them in black. And allow them to dry. Once his vest is dry, I'm going to take sandpaper and just take any excess of the gingham off the edge. You can use a emery board if you want to try that. But I do try to use a 80 or a 60 grit. You just want to make sure you don't get on the image at all. And this just takes that little hangover of extra paper right off. I'm going to glue my glasses to his face. And then I'm going to put a button. They come in blue, greens, yellows. If you get a kit, you're going to get a random color. There's some hot pink and purple. And we're going to glue the button in the center of the vest. And there you go. How cute is he? You can reapply the hanger, and you can hang him on the wall, or you can put him on a wreath. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or this kit, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.